Hey YouTube, I have a 1988 F-150. I have little problems here. I can't get the truck to start with the key. Nothing happens. Last time we did it, we changed the ignition switch, which is up in the steering column back there, and then the lights came back on, everything came on, but it's still not turning over. But it will start with the solenoid for a little bit, then it'll cut off. I don't know if it's electrical. I replaced this here because it was real corroded and real bad all the way through. I'm not sure if it's electrical or what the deal is, but it's a 300 cubic inch, 4.9 liter manual. If you guys can leave comments, and we'll see if you guys can help. I appreciate it.